A sphere has a radius of 15 meters. A spherical sector is cut from this sphere having a central angle of 30 degrees. Find the volume of a spherical sector. Again, a sphere has a radius of 15 meters. A spherical sector is cut from this sphere having a central angle of 30 degrees. Find the volume of spherical sector. This is the problem to be answered here on Premier chat box. Good luck! Hello genius! Our video for today is about subtraction matrix, and this is a very easy matrix, and I think everybody knows about what is subtraction. Now, for example, we have 15 minus 8. This is equal to 7. Now this one we call it minuend, and the second number we call it subtrahend, and of course the difference is, we call it the difference. So these are the parts of the subtraction. Now I will show you the subtraction matrix, which is an easy one. But first, we have to know the following. The subtrahend, which is this one, must be 5. And the ones digit from the minuend, you have to add 5. And then, after adding this one, these numbers, the tens digit, you have to subtract minus 1. So, now I will show you how. For example, number 1, for example, 19 minus 5. Now, how will you do this one fast? This is equal to 14. How? Just I add 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And is it correct or not? 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Usually, we solve it like this. 19 minus 5 is equal to 4, and of course the meaning like 4. But the other method is just you add this, the ones digit, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now, this is the first example. Second one, 16 minus 5. So this is 11. And it is correct. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Now, our third example is 18 minus 5. So, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. This is faster than the usual way. Actually, if the tens digit of the minuend is 1. Now, we will proceed to the second part. We have the first example, 26 minus 5. Of course, same, you have to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, of course 11. And this one, as I've said here on the third condition procedure, tens digit of the minuend to subtract 1. So, we have 2 here, subtract by 1 is equal to 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 21. So, the answer is 21. See, 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. Now, another example. 29 minus 5. Now, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, the answer is 24. And then, another example, 23 minus 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And of course, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, 18. 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So the third part of the example is in line with the 3. So we have, for example, 34 minus 5. 34 minus 5. Of course, 5 plus 4 is 9. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 29. See, it's faster. Then, the second one is 36 minus 5. Now here, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So we carry the 1 here. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the answer. Now, the last example is 39 minus 5. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. You have to carry 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here is the answer. It's easier and faster compared to the usual one we learned from the school. But the problem is there are conditions to solve this one, and it's not applicable to all numbers. Before we'll end up this video, I will give you first the solution to the problem I gave last premiere. The question: determine the base diameter of an open-top right circular cylinder if its total surface area is 49.48 square foot and its height is 1.5 times its base diameter. Now, to solve this one, we have the given height, which is 1.5 times the diameter, and the given surface area, which is equal to 49.48. Now, the area of the base is equal to pi over 4d squared, and the area of the sides is equal to pi times the diameter times the height. Therefore, surface area is equal to 48.48 equals pi over 4d squared plus pi times d times 1.5. And of course, the value of pi is equal to 3.14. Then, simplifying this one, d therefore is equal to 3 feet, which is equal to 36 inches. This is the question we're looking for, the diameter of an open-top right circular cylinder. And nobody got the correct answer.